Hello guys, let's learn about tempe making. But before that, do you know about tempe? Tempe is a traditional food from Indonesia, which made from soybeans that are segmented with yeast. It can be processed in form of various Indonesian foods like fried tempe, oseng tempe, gado-gado, nasi pecel tumpang, and etc. Tempe is high protein and healthier than meat. Also, we can make it homemade. Now check it out how to make it. First, we choose and sort the soybeans. These soybeans are imported from USA. After that, bake it. Here we produce 20 kilograms per day. Then, pour it into a pan and boil it. Boil until it's easy to separate soybeans with its hulks, around 1 until 2 hours. Then, cool it off for a while. After it cool, move it and grind the beans for cracking it into 2 pieces. After that, soak it into water and clean it until its hulks completely detach from the soybeans. It took around an hour to finish the step. Don't worry if a few hulks remain attached. We will clean it again later. After cleaning all the beans, soak it in the night or around 12 hours. Tempe yeast is a microbacterium called Rhizopus oligosporus. It's a fungus from family Muraceae division Zygomicota. As the mold grows, it produces fluffy white mycelia, binding the beans together and produce enzymes like phytase and protease, which helps our digestive system work better. In the next day, rinse it with a clean water and boil the beans until it's ripe and soft. This boiling process took around 3 hours. Then, let it cool and move the beans to wait. When it's already cool off room temperature around 35 degrees Celsius, let's add the yeast. Sprinkle onto the beans and stir it well. Then, cover it well for incubating the soybeans. Wait this fermentation process for a day. After a day pass, clean until the yeast and hulks are completely detached. Then let it dry. After that, move the soybeans and let it cool off. Then, put it into a wide open flat table to form the tempe into a cubic. Don't forget to cover it with plastic. And this plastic must be perforated with holes. The holes make the mold grow well. Ferment it in a night or around 10 hours, and then cut it into a cubic in the next morning. Another option for forming tempe is put on a banana stem wrapping that already prepared before. Same as the cubic form, it will ready in the next morning around 10 hours. The next option is fermented with plastic. Just put the beans on your plastic bag, then seal it with candle or a sealer. And don't forget to perforate the plastic with some holes so the mold can grow well in 2 days. So, this is it. This tempe ready to cook.